Most beverage fridges have this light at the very top of the beverage fridge. This is my beverage fridge. It's flipped upside down. There's a light here, and it's a terrible design because when you put drinks on the shelf, the light doesn't go anywhere. It just gets blocked. So in today's video, we're going to solve that problem by opening up the fridge, taking out the existing bulb, and putting in some LED light bars, 2 of them. We're going to recess them into the fridge itself, one on this side and one on this side, so the entire beverage fridge will be lit up so you can see what you're looking at before you open up. That's it. Let's get started. I want to say 3 important things about this project if you do decide to do it. First of all, drilling into a refrigerator is really dangerous because there's coils that contain refrigerant, and the refrigerant is dangerous, flammable. Whatever you do, if you start drilling into your refrigerator, be really aware of where those coils might exist within the body of the refrigerator. For mine, I think it's in this back area here. So I'm not drilling anywhere near this, I'm just drilling into the sides. But your refrigerator could have coils in the sides, so be very aware of where you're drilling. Number 2, do not overload the powered circuit board. So if you're replacing a bulb with LEDs, don't kind of do it where the new LEDs are going to draw more current than the bulb actually did. So I was lucky where the bulb plugs in is 12 volts. These are also functioning on 12 volts. And then make sure you check like the wattage or the amperage, that you're not swapping out like a 2-watt bulb with 10 watts of LED strips, because then you'll overload the board and you'll have a heat and maybe even a fire hazard. So just be careful about that. Third thing I want you to be aware of is anytime you're working on a refrigerator and you decide to flip the fridge upside down, which is fine, but when you're done with the project, flip the refrigerator upright, but wait a day before you plug it in to begin to use it, because the compressor's got some liquid in it, and oils or something, so it needs to drain back down in the proper of that unit. So make sure you wait a day before you plug the fridge in if you work on it upside down, and then you flip it back the other way.